Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can make your office chair make less noise when you sit on it or move around it. This is the IKEA Marcus chair, and I had this for quite some time, and the handles became loose, and it's also making some really loud noises. The loose handles problems on this chair is really easy to fix. All you have to do is tighten these screws on both sides with a power tool or a hex screwdriver. The problem with the creaking, it still remains. This you could fix in actually any office chair. You would have to get to the mechanism of the chair. In this case, the IKEA Marcus, I first opened I flipped the chair on the side. I removed the backrest, 3 screws, and I removed also the wheels from the seat with the tool here, but you can use a screwdriver. It's 4 screws. Just make sure you remember where you put them. They're not the same. Once all 4 screws come out, you can just lift the mechanism, and I use Vaseline spray. I guess you could use WD-40, but I prefer Vaseline spray here, and especially you see that white mechanism there. That, I believe, is the place where the creaking and the loud noises on the chair come from. But I spray everywhere. Anything that seems to be moving, I spray it with Vaseline because I don't want to open this thing again. This chair has a few issues, it has a few problems, but okay, it's been running for a long time, and any office chair really has creaking noise problems. This piece of cloth, it became dust. This is a bit strange, IKEA. Why they have this thing? Why they put that thing that is melting like this? Had to really clean it up very well. This is the model number, Marcus from IKEA. It's good to spray as much as you can so you don't really have to open it. And remember the screws, these are the screw locations. These short screws, they go on the side with the armrest. This is on the IKEA chair. On your chair it might be different, but on a note, WD-40 could work, but I really prefer the Vaseline spray because it's more it keeps that area more packed with Vaseline, with grease. Put everything back together, the screws, and let's see, hopefully it's working. Okay. There are still a few creaking, some noises, but not like before. And this is only because the grease has to get in between the mechanisms. The more you move on the chair, the better it is. Now it makes no sound. It's perfect. It's like new, almost. But yeah, this works on really any office chair. You just have to get to the mechanism. This might be different for each chair. As soon as you get to the mechanism of the chair, you spray Vaseline in there and it should be fine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye.